When you're looking for versatility in a travel trailer or fifth wheel, take a look at the Forest River Wolfpack made by Cherokee. This line of toy haulers can be used to move your favorite toys to the campground. Toys such as motorcycles, bicycles, golf carts, and a whole bunch more. But it can also be used as a bunkhouse to give more of your family and friends the chance to experience the RV life and still be able to sleep in comfort. Before we hit some select floor plans, let's take a peek into some great Wolfpack features. Inside of Wolfpack, you can't help but notice the space, as toy haulers provide an open floor plan with a ton of space. In the garage, every Wolfpack comes with the very convenient flip-up sofas that convert into beds, as well as the Happy Jack bed lift system, which is essentially a double bunk. As such, you can sleep 4 people in the garage area anytime. Also, within any Wolfpack models, with an enclosed garage, you'll find an industrial rubber floor designed for easy cleaning. In the fifth wheel enclosed garage models, you will also get washer dryer prep, which, depending on where you camp, can be very convenient. The Wolfpack living area is very impressive. They all have zebra shades to enable translucent light in or keep all light out, and those with enclosed garages will have a 5,000 BTU fireplace to keep your evenings comfortable. Also keeping you cozy is the 35K BTU forced air ducted furnace, as well as the 15K ducted AC. In the fifth wheels, you will also get a second 15K AC unit in the bedroom. In the bedroom, how about sleeping soundly on a king bed? Last but not least, to highlight in the Wolfpack interior is the kitchen. You'll find real wood cabinet doors and drawers, residential black stainless steel farm-style sink, and a large fridge. How big, you ask? Well, 10 cubic foot in the travel trailers and 16 cubic foot in the fifth wheels. That's pretty great, right? Next, let's talk about the Wolfpack exterior. First off, you get the 102-inch wide-body design to allow you more room. Then you have power awning with LED accent lighting, 4 power stabilizer jacks, and a power tongue jack in the travel trailers. Auto-level prep kit for all fifth wheels and the optional generator with 4,500 watt for the travel trailers and 5,500 watt for the fifth wheels. More power, you say? Well, you'll have the ability to power up your toys with the standard 30-gallon fuel station. Let's talk for a second about the ramp. It's not just a ramp with a high output LED loading light, it's a party patio. You'll get a patio deck railing system, rear canvas screen / tent wall, and can opt for ramp door patio steps. What else is a great feature on the Wolfpack exterior? A hot and cold outside shower and a whopping 96-gallon freshwater tank. This tank has a heat pad, as do all the tanks, and sits nestled in the forced air underbelly. Finally, you also get a spare tire, and those of you boondockers out there can opt to get a juice pack with a 100-watt juice pack expansion panel. That's a lot of features that are packed into the Wolfpack. Let's take a dive into some select floor plans, starting with Wolfpack travel trailer toy haulers. These are going to average about 8,000 pounds in unloaded weight and run pretty close to 34 feet in length. The 23-pack 15 is an open floor plan with 15 foot of garage space. With the ability to sleep 4 in the garage, you have enough beds to sleep a total of 6. The kitchen is embedded in its own slide out, the bedroom is private, and the bathroom is walk-through. The 25-pack 12 has an enclosed garage with 12 feet of space and is separated from the cabin by a large walk-through bathroom. A large U-shaped dinette sits in a slide out, and there's a large entertainment center complete with a fireplace. The 25-pack 12 can sleep up to 8. Wolfpack fifth wheel toy haulers are pretty big boys, running on average for about 41 feet and 12,000 pounds in dry weight. This includes the popular 315-pack 12. It comes with 12 feet of enclosed garage space that also has washer dryer prep. A massive slide out makes for plenty of room in the living area, and the kitchen has a corner pantry. The 315-pack 12 can sleep up to 8. The 325-pack 13 has an enclosed garage with 13 feet of space, plus its own half bath. Above the front section of the garage is a large 2-person loft to add to the sleeping capability of 9. Opposing slides in the living area create a ton of room. The kitchen has a peninsula as well as a full-length pantry. The 365-pack 16 is nearly 44 feet of fifth wheel toy hauler that can sleep up to 8. There's nearly 16 feet of enclosed garage space plus a half bath in the garage area. A larger slide sits in the living area, and the kitchen has a full-length pantry plus a dinette with bench seating. Up front, a wardrobe slide makes room in the bedroom. The 265 Pack 16 also has an outside kitchen. Hauling toys or having space to accommodate a lot of people, either way, you're certain to find what you want in the very versatile line of Forest River Wolfpack by Cherokee, travel trailer, and fifth wheel toy haulers. They're all designed to make your camp family content and you completely camp happy.